Today's video we see how to find the radius of a cylinder having 15 centimeter diameter and 30 centimeter height. Okay, so first we find the radius. Okay, so 15 centimeter is diameter, so we know that d over 2, that is radius. That means dd is 15 over 2, 7.5 is the radius, right? Now we find the volume. Okay, so the formula we have, that is V equals to pi r square h. Okay, now so the pi we have, we write the 22 over 7. Radius we have, that is 7.5 square, and the height we have, that is 30. Okay, so when we substitute the values into the calculator, so we get 1687.5 pi. Okay, and when we also substitute the value of pi, so we get wait just a minute, I will calculate what we get. That is 22 over 7. Okay, so we get 5302.125 centimeter cube. So this is the answer when we calculate the volume of the cylinder. I hope you understand. Like and share my video and also subscribe my channel.